Hey guys, it's Dotson Geist MarineMax here in Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new listing of mine. It's a 2021 Scout 235 XSF. This boat is powered with a Mercury 300 Verado. The upgraded leaning post with tackle station and upgraded Yeti cooler. We did install here at the dealership a Tarova 112 trolling motor system, battery charging system on board as well as a house and engine battery charging system. This boat has VHF, a 12-inch Garmin, black hull color, trailer included with electric brake upgrade as well as spare tire. This boat has 36 hours on it. Forward lounge. Got rod holder, cup holders on the front. Got an upgraded porcelain head in the console. And the bow table. See that teak table in there as well. This boat is ready for immediate delivery. Feel free to call me at 843-747-1889. And again, this is Dotson Geist here in MarineMax in Charleston. Let us know if we can help you. Thank you.